Special for you, Joe. 300 pesos per kilo.
300? Wow, okay.
Hey, Joe! Teka lang, 300 pesos? Sa kanto, pang isang basket na yan.
She said it's export quality. Pare, everything is export quality when they see your nose. Ate, umayos lang tayo. Bigyan mo ng presyong Pinoy tong tropa ko.
Okay, Joe, bigay ko sa'yo 90 pesos per kilo.
Most people think haggling is about being cheap, but in the Philippines, it's a social dance. It's about building a connection. Today, I'm teaching you the 5 phrases to break the foreigner tax and get presyong kaibigan, the friend price. Welcome back to Kanto Talk.
Speak the Philippines, not the textbook. Today on Kanto Talk, we're diving into the anti-scam market guide, breaking down the 5 essential phrases every AFAM needs to go from obvious tourist to sounding like a real local. Phrase number 1 is simple, but it sets the tone for everything that follows. Magkano to? The first rule of the Kanto? Never look too excited. If you run to a stall shouting, "I love this!" the price just went up 20%. You need to be cool. Walk by, touch a few things, then point casually. Repeat after me. Magkano to?
Magkano to?
It means, how much is this?
Magkano to?
500 only.
But here's the pro tip. Don't stop there. Follow it up with a look of slight confusion. If they say 500, you don't say okay. You say,
Mahal na naman!
"Ha? Mahal naman." That means, whoa, that's expensive.
Mahal naman!
Even if it's cheap for you, saying this tells the vendor, "I know the game, I'm not a tourist." Now that you've shown you aren't a pushover, it's time for the most important word in the Filipino market. Tawad. Tawad means discount, but it also means grace or forgiveness. You're asking the vendor for a little grace. Ask them, "Wala na bang tawad?"
Wala na bang tawad?
This is the signal that the negotiation has officially started. Review time. If you're starting to sound like a local, hit that like and subscribe button so you never miss a lesson. Let's review.
Magkano to?
Meaning, how much is this? Huh? Mahal naman. It means, whoa, that's expensive. Wala na bang tawad? Meaning, is there any discount? Got it? Good. Because now, we're going to talk about the nuclear option of haggling. When you ask for a tawad, the vendor will usually drop the price by 50 pesos. Now you hit them with phrase 3. What's the last price, ate?
What's the last price?
But here is the secret Kanto hack, the power of the small bill. If you're asking for a 200 peso price, don't hold a 1,000 peso note. They will say, "No change." Phrase 4 is, "Barya lang ang pera ko." If you show them you have exactly 200 pesos in small bills, they are 90% more likely to say, "Sige na la." Small bills are the keys to the kingdom in a street market. The best way to get a local price isn't just about one deal. It's about the future. In the Philippines, we have the Suki system. A Suki is a loyal repeat customer.
Suki! Suki!
As you're paying, look at the vendor and say, "Suki Monaco?" This means we're regulars now, right? It's a promise that you'll come back to their stall next time. In exchange, they give you the absolute lowest price possible because they want your loyalty. You aren't just a buyer anymore. You're part of their neighborhood network.
Thanks.
Haha, I saved so much money today. My girlfriend is gonna be so proud. You did it.
There you go mga katambays. 5 phrases to handle the market like a pro. Remember, haggling isn't a fight, it's a conversation.
The more you sound like a local, the more you'll be treated like one. Ingat palagi and see you sa Kanto.